Welcome back to another episode of Growing with Lalascrops. So today I'm pretty excited because I added these yellow butterflies into my raised beds. But you may be like, well, what are those? These are actually yellow sticky traps that help with pest control. So instead of using some of those sprays in my garden, I decided to implement these into my raised bed. So if this is something that you're interested in watching, stay tuned. Okay, this is the yellow sticky traps that I recently bought off of Amazon. I like the fact that it catches gnats, flies, aphids, leaf miners, and white flies. It is also recyclable, no toxins. This variety is also waterproof, which I like, and it comes with 12 inside, and then on the back it just says what it is. It's a simple, effective glue for greenhouse and garden pest control. The yellow color attracts pests, and the flower shape decorates the plants. It is a pesticide-free, therefore suitable for organic gardening. Okay, and then it just shows how to use it as far as giving you the directions and so forth. But I'll show you how, you can use it throughout the video. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It has the butterflies inside. Once again, it's a 12 count. And what I like about these is that it gives you two options to place these into your garden, either using the triangle portion for your soil or using the ties to tie them up. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some of the plants that I am currently experiencing some leaf miner damage, and so that's where I'm going to place these sticky traps near. I also experienced them on my bush beans, and I'm going to place one inside the middle right here. I'm also going to place one near my bell pepper and jalapeno peppers because they can experience aphids under the leaves. So I'm probably going to use just place one on a cage. Now for my corn, don't really have to worry about these type of problems on them, but they do experience worms on them. My okra plants, I have experienced some leaf miner damage. I'm going to show you one right now. That's some leaf miner damage on my okra leaves. So I'm going to place them in between. And then on my tomato plants, you can experience some leaf miner damage on those too. So I'm going to be placing these stickies in between those also. I also forgot to tell you that these sticky traps are double-sided. So that's double the trouble for the pest. So right now, I'm showing you how I'm going to place them into my soil. Now I'm going to place the second one, pulling off the white portion. Like I said, just be very careful because it is sticky. Just try to keep your hand on the triangle portion. Okay, that's what it looks like up close. Okay, and now I'm going to place the triangle portion down into the soil. Okay, so I'm also going to place another one, like I said, near my bush beans, but for the most part I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video just because I already discussed what plants I'm placing these near, and now I can just show you guys. But I may do a check-in maybe next month to show you what kind of pests these yellow sticky traps are really attracting, and but yeah, so towards the end of the video I'll come back and just explain or show you guys how everything is looking. now I'm going to show you how you can hang these yellow sticky traps either by the ties or by some safe yarn for your garden. This is twine that I'm using. Okay, so now that I have tied this yellow sticky onto my cage for the peppers, I'm just going to remove the white piece off. This one was a little tricky. I don't know why, but eventually I got it off. So, okay, so like I said, try to avoid the leaves, and that's why I have it on that side. Okay, so now moving on to the tomatoes. I already have one, and I placed them near the flowers since they are the color yellow also. But what the pests don't know is it will be a yellow sticky in between them. So that's the reason why I placed the yellow stickies in between, the flowers and my tomato plants. Now for my last one, I'm going to use the ties and just tie it onto my wooden stack that I have, for my tomatoes. And I'm just going to be using one. That's the last one that I have. Maybe once I see how things go, I'll order some more. And there she is, just hanging up there like a regular butterfly. So later on, I decided to, place the butterfly a little lower to kind of like eye level of the tomatoes, since I'm pretty sure like the pests won't be flying way up there because there's nothing up there. But I just placed some in between, like I said, the tomatoes and flowers, and near my bell pepper and okra plants. Before I ended the video, I wanted to show you guys the little fly that we did catch before the end of the video. So I'm assuming that there is going to be plenty of more pests getting on these yellow traps. But let me know in the comments below if you guys decide to, utilize these yellow sticky traps into your raised beds or gardens and, so forth. So I'm really looking forward to a good outcome with this, to, just try to help cut back on another step I have to do in my garden as far as, just using pesticides on my plants. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And also thank you to all of my new subscribers. Welcome also. And, if this video was very informative and you learned a lot, you guys don't forget to share this video and like this video. So I will see you guys in my next video. And as always, happy gardening.